twice as many wicks in this candle tutorial. The coziness of candlelight is twofold. I'm starting with the seamless metal candle tins from Makesy. I love that the color sage is seamless in and out of the candle tin. Then I'm bringing in my secret to creating double wick candles, a double wick centering tool. You can make double wick candles of 3 different sizes using this one tool. Apply a wick sticker tab to each soy dipped cotton wick. Then use the double wick centering tool to guide you for placing your wicks. Press down firmly to secure. Now use a digital kitchen scale to measure out 5 ounces of soy wax into a liquid measurer. Place it in the microwave and heat in 30-second intervals until melted. Next, add a half an ounce of your fragrance to the melted wax. I chose Makesy's Almond Blossom Tonka Cream. It smells delicious. I'll put a link in the comments to it below. Now, because we're working with metal, you want to get out a heat gun and warm up your container before you pour the wax. This really makes a difference. Now it's time to pour our wax and try to do this in a full, even pour. Once you've got it filled, you can add 2 clothespins for extra stability to keep those wicks from wiggling around while it cures. I like to give my candles at least 3 days to cure before I trim the wicks. And I always use a wick trimmer designed for candles. Who can resist the double factor of coziness from a double wick candle? With the extra glow of a second candle wick and an enhanced scent throw, they create quite the experience.